Looking for the coolest tech gadgets to elevate your setup? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into some best tech gadgets you can get your hands on this July on Amazon. From smart home upgrades to portable devices that'll make your life easier, we've got it all. All these tech gadgets links are in the description below. Number 30. Levitating light with wireless charging. Add a touch of futuristic style to your space with this magnetic levitating light bulb. Thanks to advanced levitation technology, the light bulb floats effortlessly in mid-air, creating a mesmerizing effect. The bulb is made from durable borosilicate glass, so it's much more resistant to breakage than regular bulbs. Plus, it features double protection against power loss and shaking, ensuring it stays floating safely. Levitation is a breeze, and you can easily adjust the bulb with just one hand. With its sleek design and smooth operation, this lamp makes a perfect conversation starter and a unique addition to any room. Number 29. Hisense Laser Mini Projector. Transform your space into a home theater with this compact mini projector that delivers stunning 4K visuals. Featuring a gimbal design for easy adjustments, it offers a wide 65 to 300 inch display range, perfect for any room size. The triple color laser technology and 110% BT.2020 color accuracy ensure vibrant and lifelike colors, while the 2000 AICE lumens provide a bright and clear picture even in well-lit environments. With Dolby Vision and HSR 240 support, you'll experience rich, dynamic contrasts and smooth motion. Plus, the built-in JBL sound system offers high-quality audio, making it the ultimate entertainment setup for any movie lover. Number 28. AICE Neck Air Conditioner. Beat the heat in style with this high-tech neck cooler that actually blows cold air, not just a breeze. Built with next-gen cooling tech and an ultra-wide icy surface, it cools you down fast, even when it's blazing hot outside. From morning walks to summer hikes, it keeps your whole body feeling refreshed thanks to smart airflow and AI temperature control. The big battery lasts all day, and with fast charging, you're back in action in no time. You can even fine-tune the temp with an app. It's like having your own personal AC wrapped around your neck. Number 27. TONOR Laptop Microphone. Upgrade your calls and recordings with this sleek little clip-on mic that delivers crystal clear sound without hogging desk space. It easily clamps onto your laptop or monitor, stays put, and won't scratch anything thanks to its soft padding. The directional design focuses on your voice while blocking out background noise. Perfect for Zoom, YouTube, or just catching up with friends. It's plug and play with both USB-C and USB-A, so no setup headaches. You can swivel it for the best angle, and the handy mute button with an LED lets you control everything at a glance. Just plug in, clip on, and sound pro. Number 26. ZimaBoard 2. Create your own affordable and reliable storage solution with this DIY and NAS kit, perfect for home or small office use. The kit supports two 2.5-inch hard drives, offering ample space for file storage, backups, or even setting up your own private cloud. Pre-installed with an easy-to-use system, it simplifies data management, making it ideal for those who prefer a straightforward setup with no hassle. The compact design helps save space while providing stable support for long-term use. If you're looking to back up important files or share data across devices, this system offers a flexible, efficient, and secure solution. Number 25. Xencelabs Pen Display. Level up your digital art game with this sleek 16-inch drawing display that feels just like pen on paper. It's super lightweight and ultra thin, so you can take your creative workspace anywhere. The screen is stunning vibrant colors, deep blacks, and razor-sharp details, perfect for pro-level work. It comes with two comfortable battery-free pens and a handy shortcut remote with tons of customizable buttons to speed up your workflow. Plus, with a simple one-cable setup and a protective case included, it's made for artists on the move. You're sketching, animating, or editing, this setup makes everything feel smooth and natural. Number 24. Automatic trash can. Keep your space clean and stylish with this touchless rectangular trash can, designed for convenience and a sleek look. With a 50-liter capacity, it's perfect for both home and office use, offering ample space for all your waste without taking up too much room. The motion sensor lid opens automatically with a simple wave of your hand, making it easy to dispose of trash without touching the can. The matte stainless steel finish adds a modern, sophisticated touch to any room, while the lid helps keep odors contained, making it both functional and attractive. Number 23, Levitation Bluetooth speaker. Add a touch of futuristic flair to your space with this magnetic Levitation Bluetooth speaker. Not only does it float in the air for a truly unique look, but it also delivers impressive 5-watt sound, filling the room with clear, vibrant audio. With Bluetooth 5.1, you can easily connect your devices and stream your favorite tunes with minimal lag. Perfect for both home and office decor, this cool tech gadget is an eye-catching conversation starter that combines style with function. It makes for an amazing gift, adding a bit of magic and superior sound quality to any room. Number 22, Vsdinside Macro Keypad. Take your setup to the next level with this customizable macro keypad designed for streamers, gamers, and multitaskers alike. With 18 programmable keys, 15 of them full-color LCD, you can launch apps, trigger macros, switch OBS scenes, or control media with a single tap. You can even add your own icons, GIFs, or images to each key for easy recognition. It supports multi-key sequences, making complex actions feel effortless. The sleek RGB light ring adds flair to your desk, while plug-and-play compatibility with both Windows and Mac makes it super easy to use across platforms. Perfect for streaming, editing, or just staying productive. Number 21, wireless charging pad. This oversized mouse pad isn't just about smooth gliding, it doubles as a wireless charger for your phone, keeping your desk clean and clutter-free, with plenty of room for both your keyboard and mouse. It's perfect for gaming, work, or casual use. The surface is super smooth for precise tracking, and it's also waterproof, so no stress over accidental spills. A grippy rubber base keeps everything firmly in place, even on uneven desks. If you're grinding through long work sessions or gaming marathons, this mat adds comfort, convenience, and a sleek vibe to your setup, all while powering up your device. Number 20, Tesla Coil Gun. This device, with its chrome handle and futuristic design, is a wireless Tesla coil gun. Powered by an internal battery, it's portable for on-the-go use. There are 2 adjustable knobs, one for controlling the discharge frequency and the other for power settings. In the dark, mini lightning bolts fire from the tip, creating an electrifying spectacle. The sparks glow in purple, and the air hums with energy like a scene from a mad scientist's lab. While it appears risky, it's built with safety features to prevent electric shocks. Number 19, GravaStar Loudspeakers. Get ready to elevate your sound experience with this portable Bluetooth speaker. With deep bass and loud stereo sound, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Enjoy up to 15 hours of playtime so your music keeps going all day long. The speaker also comes with 6 vibrant RGB lights, adding a fun, colorful touch to your setup. Plus, with dual pairing, you can connect 2 speakers for an even bigger sound. If you're at home, by the pool, or on the go, this speaker delivers impressive performance and style in a portable package. Number 18, Smart Extendable Selfie Stand. This all-in-one selfie stand is a total game changer for content creators, vloggers, and anyone who loves a good lighting setup. It folds down small for easy travel, but extends up to 49 inches, making it perfect for full-body shots or overhead filming. The built-in LED ring light has 3 color modes and 7 brightness levels, so you'll always look your best no matter the setting. With 360-degree rotation and wireless remote control, capturing the perfect angle is a breeze. Plus, it's rechargeable and works for hours, great for streaming, filming, makeup tutorials, or just snapping next-level selfies anywhere you go. Number 17, ProtoArc Wireless Trackball Mouse. This ergonomic trackball mouse is designed to provide comfort and precision for all-day use. With an adjustable hinge that allows you to customize the angle from 0 to 20 degrees, it helps reduce wrist and arm strain. Instead of moving your arm, you control the cursor with your thumb, making navigation smooth and effortless. It offers triple connectivity, allowing you to easily switch between up to 3 devices like your PC, laptop, and iPad. Rechargeable with adjustable DPI settings, it lets you fine-tune sensitivity for better control. Plus, its quiet clicks make it ideal for working without distractions. Number 16, KAMRUI Plus Mini PC. This compact powerhouse is perfect for anyone who needs serious performance without taking up space. It runs on a fast 12th gen Intel chip with 16 gigabytes of RAM and a 512 gigabyte SSD, so multitasking, web browsing, and even photo editing are smooth and snappy. You can even expand storage up to 2 terabytes if needed. Despite its small size, it supports stunning 4K visuals and lets you connect up to 3 screens, great for work, entertainment, or both. With built-in built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and gigabit Ethernet, it's super versatile. Mount it behind a monitor or slide it under your TV, this little box does it all. Number 15. Multi-use electric air duster. Keep your tech and workspace spotless with this powerful multi-use electric air duster. Designed to replace traditional compressed air cans, it offers a sustainable and cost-effective way to clean dust, crumbs, and debris from your laptop, computer, or any hard-to-reach area. The electric design provides a continuous, strong airflow, making it perfect for removing particles from keyboards, electronics, and other delicate surfaces without the mess of canned air. It's a must-have for anyone looking to maintain a clean and organized workspace while reducing waste and saving money in the long run. Number 14. Smart AI-powered companion. This smart little robotic pup is more than just a toy. It's a fun AI-powered companion that actually listens and responds to your voice and gestures in real time. You're chatting, giving commands, or just playing around. It reacts with lifelike movements and personality. It's great for kids and families, but honestly, anyone will love having it around. Bonus, it can even help with light home monitoring when you're not looking. With its sleek design and charging dock included, it's always ready for action, cuddles, or conversation. It's like having your own futuristic pet that never needs walking or feeding. Number 13. Teamgee Laptop Screen Extender. Enhance your productivity with this portable laptop screen extender offering a 15.6-inch FHD 1080p IPS display with vibrant 120% sRGB color accuracy. Perfect for both work and entertainment, it supports extension and mirroring modes, boosting your multitasking by up to 300%. The screen rotates 235 degrees and comes with an upgraded alloy stand for flexible viewing from any angle. It's compatible with MacBooks and easily connects via HDMI and USB. Each screen is detachable for versatile use, and the magnetic design allows for easy storage. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for business trips, home offices, or on-the-go work setups. Number 12. Smart Connect Fitness Mirror. Transform your wall into a high-tech fitness hub with this sleek fitness mirror that seamlessly integrates into your space. It offers thousands of live and on-demand workout classes, ranging from yoga and strength training to cycling and kickboxing, all accessible via an intuitive Wi-Fi connected touchscreen. Real-time tracking for heart rate, calories burned, and progress towards your fitness goals is included. Plus, a built-in camera allows you to connect with trainers for live sessions, adding a personal touch. The best part? It takes up no floor space and doubles as stylish decor when not in use. Number 11. Magnetic Phone Cooler. Level up your mobile gaming sessions with this ultra-cool phone accessory that keeps overheating out of the picture. Using powerful TC cooling tech, it drops your device's temp by up to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for intense battles or long video sessions. It sticks securely to your phone with strong magnetic force, and with a super lightweight design, it won't cramp your hand style. Flip between overclocked and silent modes in a tap, and enjoy quiet operation even during peak use. Bonus, RGB lighting adds serious gaming vibes. Compatible with a wide range of devices, it's a must-have for any mobile gamer. Number 10. Fanttik Slim Apex Car Vacuum. Keep your car spotless with this powerful portable vacuum. It's compact, cordless, and packs a punch with 19,000 Pascal suction power, making it perfect for tackling dirt, crumbs, and debris in your car. If you need a quick clean or a deeper scrub, it offers 2 suction modes to suit your needs. The rechargeable Type-C battery ensures long-lasting use, and the handheld design makes it easy to reach tight spaces. It's the ideal tool for keeping your car interior fresh and clean, all without the hassle of cords or bulky vacuums. Perfect for quick on-the-go cleaning. Number 9. Vacuum cleaner. This little gadget is a total multitasker, part air duster, part vacuum, and even an air pump for sealing those travel bags. It's surprisingly powerful for its compact size, with strong suction and blowing speed, perfect for cleaning keyboards, car interiors, camera lenses, and all those tricky corners. It charges in just a few hours and runs long thanks to a solid battery setup. Plus, the filter is washable and reusable, which is great for the planet and your wallet. With multiple nozzles and attachments, it's super versatile and makes a smart gift for anyone who loves keeping their gear clean. Number 8. Camping fan. This multifunctional portable fan is a versatile and practical device, perfect for outdoor events like camping, hiking, or even as a desk fan at home. It serves not only as a fan but also as a power bank, making it an all-in-one solution for staying cool and keeping your devices charged while on the go. The fan comes with a convenient remote control that allows you to easily adjust between 4-speed settings, ensuring you have the perfect airflow for your needs. Designed with safety in mind, the fan features a water shortage power-off protection system that prevents damage when the water reservoir is empty, powered by a 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery. Number 7. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Make breakfast or any meal a breeze with this deluxe egg cooker that handles all your egg needs and more. If you're making hard-boiled, poached, or scrambled eggs, or even omelets, this versatile cooker does it all. It can also steam vegetables and dumplings, making it a great addition to your kitchen for quick, healthy meals. With a 12-egg capacity, it's perfect for families or meal prepping. The auto shut-off feature ensures safety and convenience, so you don't have to worry about overcooking. Compact and easy to use, it's a must-have for anyone who loves effortless cooking. Number 6. Phone microscope. Ever wondered what the tiny details of a leaf or a grain of sand really look like? This pocket-sized gadget lets you explore a whole new world right from your phone. With up to 200x magnification, it clips easily onto most smartphones and doesn't even need an app, just snap it on and zoom in. The built-in CPL lens helps cut glare for clearer, more vibrant images, and the LED light brings out the best in every close-up. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and super fun for both kids and adults who love getting curious about the little things around us. Number 5. Shiatsu Neck and Back Massager. After a long day, nothing beats a soothing massage, and this gadget does the trick perfectly. With 8 powerful kneading nodes, it provides a deep Shiatsu massage to help ease muscle pain, relax your neck, and eliminate stiffness. The added infrared heat feature boosts blood circulation, leaving you feeling refreshed. You can adjust the intensity with 3-speed settings, allowing you to customize the pressure to suit your needs. The long handle straps let you position it exactly where you need it. Plus, made from durable, breathable materials, it's easy to clean and maintain for long-lasting use. Number 4. Yoga Wheel. This back roller and yoga wheel helps relieve upper and lower back pain by applying focused pressure to tight muscles. Just 5 minutes a day can ease tension and improve flexibility, mobility, and range of motion. The strong 12-inch by 5-inch wheel holds over 550 pounds and has a textured surface for better grip and control during deep stretches. It's great for spinal decompression, realignment, and natural pain relief. Recommended by yoga instructors and chiropractors, it can be used for gentle stretching or deeper pressure, depending on your needs. A bonus guide is included to help you get started. Number 3. Adjustable Dumbbells. These adjustable dumbbells are perfect for strength training, offering weights from 5 to 50 pounds per hand. They feature a padded handle, clear weight markings, and a compact design, making them easy to store or take anywhere. The secure magnetic pin allows quick changes in weight with multiple increments for flexible workouts. Built from strong steel, they replace 16 pairs of dumbbells, saving space and money. Designed for long-term use with a 5-year home warranty, expansion kits are available separately to increase weight up to 90 pounds as your fitness level improves. Number 2. Endoscope Cam2. This handy inspection camera is a must-have for anyone who needs to explore hard-to-reach areas. With a 5.5mm lens and 1920 by 1440p high resolution, it delivers clear, sharp images, making it perfect for inspecting engines, pipes, and electronics. It features 8 adjustable LED lights that illuminate even the darkest spots, with the option to turn them off when not needed. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just plug it into your iPhone or Android device. No Wi-Fi or Bluetooth required. The 16.4-foot semi-rigid cable lets you navigate tight spaces with ease, making it ideal for all kinds of inspections. Number 1. Mini Projector. Bring the movie night vibes anywhere with this compact smart projector. It's got built-in apps, so you can stream tons of content without needing a TV stick. The Air Mouse remote makes control super smooth, and voice commands make it even easier. You'll get crisp visuals with native 720p and support for 4K. perfect for casual bedroom setups or outdoor hangouts. With solid brightness and contrast, it handles everything from cartoons to movie marathons. Plus, it rotates 180 degrees and works on a table, tripod, or even the ceiling, making it a fun, flexible pick for everyday entertainment. And that's a wrap for today's video. We'd love to hear which gadget stood out to you or ended up on your wish list. Drop a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.